Are you tired of those sneaky subscription fees draining your bank account? Or maybe you're wondering if you're overpaying for your internet or phone bill. You've probably heard of Rocket Money, but what exactly do they charge for, and is it worth it? In today's world, managing our finances can feel like a constant battle. With countless subscriptions and recurring bills, it's easy to lose track of where our money is going. That's why services like Rocket Money have become increasingly popular. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand their pricing structure. Let's break down exactly what Rocket Money charges for, so you can make an informed decision. Explain the free versus premium model. Rocket Money operates on a freemium model, meaning they offer both free and paid services. Free features. The free version provides basic budgeting and subscription tracking. You can link your accounts, monitor your spending, and get an overview of your recurring subscriptions. This is great for those who want a simple way to track their finances. Premium features. This is where Rocket Money's more advanced features come into play, and where the charges occur. Here's a breakdown of what Rocket Money charges for its premium services. Premium membership. Rocket Money offers a premium subscription with enhanced features. The pricing for this is unique, as they use a pay-what-you-think-is-fair model. This means you can choose a monthly price within a range, typically between $6 and $12. This price can vary across platforms. It is important to note that even though they have a monthly price range, many users are charged an annual fee. So be aware of this. The premium membership unlocks features like net worth tracking, subscription cancellation assistance, more in-depth budgeting tools, including custom categories, financial goal setting, credit score monitoring, bill negotiation. One of Rocket Money's most popular features is its bill negotiation service. If Rocket Money successfully negotiates a lower bill for you, they charge a percentage of your annual savings. This fee typically ranges from 35% to 60% of your first year's savings. This is a very important point to understand. If they save you $100 over the year, they will take between $35 and $60 of that saving. You, the user, often has the ability to select the percentage within that range. Important considerations. It's essential to understand that the bill negotiation fee is charged if they successfully lower your bill. If they don't, you won't be charged. Also, remember that you can always attempt to negotiate your bills yourself, so consider whether the convenience of Rocket Money's service is worth the fee. The pay-what-you-think-is-fair model can be a bit confusing. Here's what you should know. While it gives you some flexibility, it's important to be aware of the value you're receiving. Consider how much you're saving through Rocket Money's services and whether the chosen monthly fee aligns with that value. It is very important to read the fine print and understand how often you will be billed. Is Rocket Money's premium service worth the cost? It depends on your individual financial situation. If you have numerous subscriptions and struggle to manage them, the subscription cancellation assistance could be valuable. If you're looking to negotiate lower bills and don't have the time or skills to do it yourself, Rocket Money's negotiation service could be beneficial. However, if you're comfortable managing your finances independently and don't have many subscriptions, the free version might suffice. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of Rocket Money. Start with the free version to see if it meets your basic needs. Carefully evaluate your subscriptions and identify any you can cancel. Consider using Rocket Money's bill negotiation service for bills you're struggling to lower. Regularly review your spending and budget to ensure you're staying on track. Always be aware of the fees that will be charged before you allow Rocket Money to do any negotiations on your behalf. Read all of the terms of service. In essence, Rocket Money offers a range of services, from basic budgeting tools to advanced bill negotiation. While the free version provides valuable features, the premium services come with a cost. Understanding Rocket Money's pricing structure, particularly the pay-what-you-think-is-fair model and the bill negotiation fees, is crucial for making an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.